Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 8.8.4 and we're going to configure the boot order. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have just changed the SATA hard disk in the workstation. In the executive office, you need to edit the boot order to make it consistent with office standards. In this lab, your task is to access the computer's BIOS setting, disable booting from the diskette drive, configure the remaining devices to boot using the following order. Internal HDD will come first, followed by CD and DVD-ROM. Onboard NIC will come next, and USB storage will follow. So let's start up. What we want to do first is to turn on the CPU. Alright, the CPU is on. So we want to locate a boot sequence. And then we want to turn off disable diskette, and then internal HDD will come first, followed by CD DVD-ROM. So select CD and then we move it upward. And then followed by onboard NIC. So go ahead and apply these. And let's check our answers and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join my professional membership, and you can also reach me through my email. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.